Do you want to sustain 5S within your organisation? Seisho 5S app combines great graphics and an easy-to-use auditing process. Dynamic dashboards make it easy to see your current 5S scores. 5S audits can be assigned to users, giving you personalised dashboards. 5S scoring is as simple as moving the slider. You are also able to add comments and add photos directly from your iPad camera. Action plans are designed to give full responsibility and accountability to enable 5S sustainability. Know where you are with simple icons on action plan status. 5S often fails due to lack of actions and the upkeep of audits to drive improvement. The Seisho 5S app has inbuilt feedback tools. The Seisho 5S app automatically generates dynamic charts, so no need for separate Excel spreadsheets. The Seisho 5S app will instantly email you the full results, charts, comments and photos. For a free trial, visit our website or call the number below.